Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic series with me, Dr. Imran Alawiye. Today's lesson, we continue learning our vocabulary, still using the root letter system. And today's letters are Jim, Waw, and Ain. Ja, Yejul, Yawn. And that's the verb to be hungry. Yes, the second letter, did I say wow? Yes, I did. But when we write it, we say with the alif, ja. And that type of verb is called fi'al ajwaf. That's a holo verb. The analysis of the holo verb has been done in my book, Gateway to Arabic, Book 4. Please do refer to that. It's on videos as well. Right. Right now, أشعر بالجوع. أشعر بالجوع. I am feeling hungry. Yes. نعم. أشعر, I am feeling بالجوع, hungry. A man and a woman would say the same thing. أشعر بالجوع. If you want to say we are feeling hungry, we say نشعر بالجوع. Instead of a, you say na. نشعر بالجوع. We are feeling hungry. Okay. Or you can say نحن جياع. We are hungry. نحن جياع. We are hungry. You may say نحن جوع as well. It is correct. نحن جوع. We are hungry. Yes. لماذا أشعر بالجوع دائما؟ ها؟ لماذا أشعر بالجوع دائما? Why do I feel hungry all the time? دائما. لماذا? Why? أشعر, I'm feeling, بالجوع, hungry, دائما, always. Or معظم الوقت, most of the time. معظم الوقت, most of the time. لماذا أشعر بالجوع معظم الوقت? I know, because you are hungry caterpillar. Yes. لأنك يرقة جاعية جدا. لأنك يرقة جاعية جدا. Because you are a hungry caterpillar. Oh, there's actually a book, children's storybook, very small book, entitled The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and it's written by Eric Carr, and I actually translated that book into Arabic in 1998. Check it out. Yes, I did. In fact, honestly, I forgot about it just today that I remember that. Okay. What about if you want to use the active participle, اسم فاعل? I will say أنا جائع. A man speaking. أنا جائع. I am hungry. What about a woman speaking would say أنا جائعة. I am hungry. أنا جائعة. I am hungry. Plural for group of men or mixed gender would be نحن جائعون. نحن جائعون. We are hungry. Women say نحن جائعات. نحن جائعات. Here we go. Yes. Next. Another way of saying that I'm hungry, so many ways, using the same roots, you can say أنا جوعان أنا جوعان على صيغة فعلان أنا جوعان I am hungry. But for a man, a woman will say أنا جوعانة I am hungry. أنا جوعانة or أنا جوع as well. I am hungry. Okay. Using this phrase, if you want to, for a group of men, you say نحن جوعانون نحن جوعانون we are hungry. Using the same phrase for women, they will say نحن جوعانات نحن جوعانات we are hungry. Yes, so many ways, but my advice is stick with the neutral way. أشعر بالجوع نشعر بالجوع we are feeling hungry, or just say نحن جياع we are hungry. Stick with the neutral one. But for those of you who likes grammar, yes, you can separate masculine and feminine, مذكر ومؤنث. That's fine. Yeah. All I know is ليس للبطن الجائع أذن تسمع. ليس للبطن الجائع أذن تسمع. ليس للبطن الجائع أذن تسمع. A hungry belly, stomach. A hungry belly has no ear to hear. A hungry belly has no ear to hear. نعم ليس للبطن الجائع أذن تسمع. نعم. Next. الرجل الجوعان الرجل الجوعان هو رجل غضبان. الرجل الجوعان هو رجل غضبان. A hungry man is an angry man. Yes. الرجل الجوعان هو رجل غضبان. الرجل الجوعان هو رجل غضبان. Here we go. A hungry man is an angry man indeed. Okay. The noun is jua, hunger. Yep, hunger. الجوع ليس له من صديق إلا من يطعمه. الجوع ليس له من صديق إلا من يطعمه. Yeah, hunger has no friend except the one who feeds him or it. Yeah, الجوع ليس له من صديق إلا من يطعمه. نعم. Right. Finally, you can use another form from this root letter, form 2, jawa, and that's to, starve people out or to make people hungry. And the noun from jawa is tajwiya, starving out, like a population. There are some horrible government that they use hunger as a weapon, to subjugate the population through hunger. We call that here سياسة تجويع. سياسة تجويع الشعب. That's the policy of starving a population, which is in fact جريمة نكراء ضد الإنسانية. And it's an heinous, horrible crime against humanity. سياسة تجويع. سياسة تجويع الشعب جريمة نكراء ضد الإنسانية. Now, okay, here we go. The root letter Jim, Wow, and Ain is very short actually. There are no many shade of meanings underpinning that Jim, Wow, and Ain, except something like starvation, hungry, and so on. And we have analyzed that. So, add that again to your armory of vocabulary and let's move forward. We're moving forward. Just keep accumulating your vocabulary and the phrases as well as proverbs that I'm providing to you. You would read to vehicle to make sure that your learning process is surging forward. We get there together, inshallah. مع السلامة إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.